Hello, Praisers and Savers. I'm so excited to share with you how this shopping haul at Walmart was a $9 moneymaker. I use coupons from the Sunday paper, coupons.com, IBOTTA rebates, Shopkicks, swag bucks, and fetch rewards to get all this for free plus a $9 moneymaker. Stay tuned to the end of the video to see how I did it. Hello, Praisers and Savers. We are heading into Walmart. We're going to be doing our IBOTTA-Weekend Warrior bonus. I know I'm a little late. I usually do it on Friday, but it's Sunday and we went to Great Wolf Lodge over the weekend, so I'm a little late on that. And I'm also going to be finishing my July 4th bonus for, I think that was 42 offers, so I only need like 12 more to go. So I have like 14 freebies in this trip, and some of them are also money makers as well, so we're going to get to those. And so I wanted to just make sure you guys are aware of the rebate apps. There's IBOTTA, Shopkick, Swagbucks, and Fetch. Now I use these rebate apps to get money back. So a lot of times when I'm in the store and I'll say it's a freebie, I will pay money for it, but then IBOTTA will give me the money back for it, or Swagbucks, or whatever it may be. And what they do is they'll give it to you in a form of a gift card. Now for me, I like to print mine off when I get mine. So like here is a Walmart e-gift card for $10, and I think I got this one from Shopkicks. And so what I'll do is I'm at the register, I'll buy $10 worth of items and I'll use this, and I actually don't pay anything because it'll be $0 because I've used this gift card. And so that's called rolling rebates. So I'm constantly rolling my rebates onto these gift cards. So it works out very well. So if you are not a member of those rebate programs, I have my referral links in the description box below. Click on those. I'll get a little bit of cut on those, and you will as well. You'll get some points or some money for signing up for those, so do that. Make sure you guys are liking, sharing, and subscribing to my videos. Also hit that notification bell so you know whenever all my videos pop up. Also, I will be doing a Walmart giveaway. So what you're going to do is you're going to comment your favorite deal of the week at Walmart, and then on my next Walmart video, I will be announcing the winner. I'm going to be doing a $10 e-gift card to Walmart. So I will be announcing that in the next video. What else? I think that is all. Let's get in the store and let's get shopping. I'm excited. Hey guys, so I only need 12 rebates to meet my July bonus, my July 4th fireworks bonus, and then also my midweek moneymaker. Weekend warrior. So I only need 12, so I'm getting 12 items today, or 12 items, plus whatever. But I'm not gonna go over that because sometimes I come in here and I get like 30 things and I don't need that many things. So let's get started with the first deal. All right, this is a great time to stock up on your school supplies. So these Z-Grip pens are $2.94. You can get the other packs if you want those instead, but I'm gonna stick with these for $2.94. And there is an IBOTTA rebate for $1.50 back. Now you can do this up to 2 times on this rebate, which is going to make these pens just $1.44. No coupons needed. Now remember, you are going to pay $2.94 out of pocket, and IBOTTA is going to refund you $1.50. Next school supply deal, we're on these 5-star folders. These are the 3-pronged folders, little 97-cent ones. Now they do have the ones that are a little bit more expensive for $1.47 if you prefer these. But you must buy 2 of them for this to work. So when you buy 2, it's going to be $1.94. You're getting $1 back on IBOTTA, making just 2 folders 94 cents together. Next I'm picking up are these Fancy Feast Petites. They are 98 cents at Walmart. So I'm going to buy 4 of these. It's going to be $3.92 for all 4. I got this coupon on coupons.com for $2 off when you buy 4. That's going to bring it to $1.92. There's also 2 rebates on IBOTTA for any item cat foods attaching, so that's 20 cents off, making just 4 containers of cat food $1.72. All right, this coupon is back on coupons.com. I believe there's some also coming out on the 7-11 newspaper for $4 off, but I haven't got my paper yet. So these are $4.94. There's a $4 off coupon on coupons.com that can be printed twice, making these just 94 cents per box. The Colgate renewal is a repeat deal. It's $6.96. There's $5 coming back off IBOTTA, so you'll get a refund of $5. That makes it $1.96. And then there's also $1 off from coupons.com that you can submit, or if you want to, you can use the $1 off coupon that came off last week for Colgate, making these just 96 cents each. Amazing deal for some high-priced toothpaste. Another repeat deal on Shopkicks. You buy the Suave Advanced Therapy Lotion for $1.72. Submit your receipt to Shopkicks, and they'll give you back 375 kicks, which is equivalent to $1.60, so you'll pay 12 cents just for some lotion. Amazing deal. All right, got a moneymaker here on the Neutrogena face bar. This coupon came from coupons.com. It's $3 off, so it's going to make this bar of soap 26 cents each. There was an IBOTTA rebate. It is gone, so make sure you go print that coupon off while it's still available. I'm actually going to pick up 2 bars of soap at 26 cents each that they owe me. Awesome moneymaker. All right, just got in here and started working on some of my coupons.com freebies that are on the app, so check those out. They're under the seasonal tab if you haven't been able to find them. So the first thing I'm picking up is this Heinz yellow mustard. It's 98 cents. However, coupons.com is giving back $1.45, which makes this a 47-cent moneymaker. Awesome. We have another moneymaker from coupons.com. Make sure you activate these ballpark hot dogs. They are $2.28 in the store. However, you're going to get back from coupons.com $2.89, which makes this a 61-cent moneymaker. Awesome deal. All right, this is a repeat deal. Picking up some of this Popcorn Indiana movie theater butter. It's $2.68. There's $1.25 back on Ibotta, making these just $1.43. You can get the kettle corn or the fudge drizzle if you like as well, if you don't like the butter flavor. So $1.43 each bag. Limit of 5 on the Ibotta app. We have a moneymaker over on Shopkicks with the Country Time Zero Sugar Lemonade. These are $1. You'll pay $1 register, and then Shopkicks will give back 525 scans and kicks, which is equivalent to $2.08. So this will be $1.08 moneymaker. Not too shabby. Another great moneymaker brought to you by coupons.com. Activate these Oscar Mayer wieners. They are $2.24, and coupons.com will give you back $2.25. So that is a 1 penny moneymaker on some free hot dogs. Awesome deal. Pick them up. All right, got another freebie on coupons.com. Thank you so much for the macaroni and cheese. It has to be the plain, the original macaroni and cheese. These are 98 cents. You'll get back $1.09. So that makes it another moneymaker, 11-cent moneymaker. All right, repeat deal on the jasmine green tea. This is located in the Asian section of the store. These are $1.62. 2 Ibotta rebates are coming off, $1.50. So this would make this just 12 cents. Scan both of them to get the both rebates for 12 cents for just the tea. All right, doing the repeat deal on this Frigo cheese, the Parmesan. You can do the blue cheese or the feta. I'm going to get some Parmesan this time. These are $2.08. There's a 75-cent coming back on Ibotta, making these just $1.33. All right, guys, this is the end of our deals. Make sure you check out the printable breakdown in the description box. It has everything that I did today, plus all the calculations with Ibotta, Shopkick, Swag Bucks, and more. Don't forget to comment your favorite deal of the week at Walmart to be entered into the $10 e-gift card giveaway. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. Thanks for shopping.